feeling. My dog just pooped upstairs. She's looking at me like this. What's up guys, it's Katrina here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this easy Valentine's Day look, which is tomorrow, so hop to it. It's great for if you're single and ready to mingle, or if you're in a relationship and you want to go see your bootang. But anyways, I hope you guys like this and keep watching. Let's get to it. First off, I'm going to start with the Smashbox Radiance Photo Finish Primer. I'm going to put some glow to my face, you know what I'm saying? Why am I talking like that? Primer just makes me like I feel like I'm glowing. Next, I'm using the Col-lab foundation again, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'll be using my two beauty blenders. I just got this mini beauty blender and it's super lit because it reaches like the hard places that this one can't. My brows, and this might surprise you a little bit, but I'm gonna use a brown eyeliner to do it. I actually really love how it does my eyebrows. So first I'm just gonna kind of like trace the lines on the outside and then just fill it in. So picky about my eyebrows that literally just took me forever. Anyways, moving on. Next, I'm gonna use my Revlon concealer again. I saw so many comments on my last makeup video recommending the Shape Tape concealer. I'm totally getting it, guys. I want to try it out because everyone recommended it. So comment below if you have any other products that you love and think that I should try. As a primer for my lids, I'm going to use the Benefit Stay Don't Stray and just slap that on my eyelids. Alright, now for the fun part. I'm going to do the Valentine's Day eyeshadow. So using the Tarte Sex Kitten palette, I'm going to take the color Sly and put it all over my eyelid just to kind of prime it for the rest of the colors. Okay, from the same palette, I'm going to use the color Paw and just put it right on my lid part and a little bit up into the crease, but not too much because we're going to put a different color there. So now I'm using the Colourpop Golden State of Mind palette. I'm going to be taking this really sparkly color right here. I believe it's called Sparkler. And I'm actually going to use my finger for this because it has a lot of fallout and it's a little chunky. So using my finger, it's going to show up a lot more and have a lot less fallout. I'm just going to put this right on my lid, and I don't really want to blend this up too much. Just a little bit so it doesn't look like a line. So that's what we got so far. I'm going to go back to the other palette I was using and take the same color, Paw, and just do it right above the glitter, but still not really in the crease. And this makes it just blend so much better. Now, back to the Colourpop palette. I'm going to take this shade right here. I believe it's called Uptight. And this color I'm going to apply into the crease. Definitely want to focus this color on the outer corners to make it even darker, and then just blend it inwards. And then of course just blend it in a little bit. You don't want those nasty unblended lines on your eyelids. Next I'm using the Select Lash S747S. I've never used this specific pair before, but we're gonna give them a try. If you have never done false eyelashes before, basically just measure them out, trim them, and glue them on. Voila, there are the eyelashes. I'm gonna take the Tarte Maneater mascara and just kind of glue my eyelashes to the false eyelashes. Next, I'm going to apply the Maybelline Better Skin Powder. I love the finish that it puts on my face and just how matte it is. Now I'm using the Lisa Frank Bitten and Bronze Matte Bronzer. Gotta create that 3 on my face. I'm using the Crystal Hearts 309 Dahlia Liquid Matte Lipstick. I love, love, love Crystal Hearts. So far, everything I've used from them has been so beautiful. Now I'm going to take this little brush and just push it on the outsides to make sure it's all smooth. Well, bam, there are the red lips. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use the Kylie Jenner King highlighter. To finish up my face, I'm gonna use the MAC Prep and Prime and spray it all over. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Hopefully you learned something new. If you create this look, please post it, please tag me. I would love to see what you guys do. I hope you all have a great Valentine's Day with your loved ones. And eat some chocolate. That's all I gotta say. My social media will be linked down below. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, buy my merch, all that good stuff you guys already know. Yeah, that's it. So I will see you guys next week. Bye! My camera is flashing red. It's about to die. Uh-oh. Perfect.